How to download TikTok app on Android. Now in order to download TikTok app on your Android device, you just simply need to open your Play Store application. And after opening your Play Store application, you are gonna see a bunch of options in the home page. And among those options, you just simply need to pick the option of search. Tap the search button and after that open the search bar. Now from the search bar, you just simply need to type TikTok in there. And after that hit the search button in your keyboard. Then this app of TikTok from TikTok Pte Ltd is gonna appear. Just simply open that application and tap to install button, and depending on your internet connection's speed, TikTok application is gonna be installed in your Android device. So this is how you can very easily download TikTok in your device as well. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.